Hello everyone, my name's Victoria Williamson and I'm an author with Fiction Express. I love writing books, but one of my other favourite hobbies is archaeology, digging things up to explore the past. If you dug up a 40,000-year-old human skull, what would it look like? Well, it would look just like we do today, like this one here. Can you see where the eyes, the nose and the lips would be? However, if you dug up something that looked like this, would you know what it was? Would it be exciting or scary to find something that looks so different from the way that we do today? Those jaws look much bigger and stronger than ours do too, don't they? Who do you think a skull like this might belong to? Well, that's what we're going to discover together in my new book from Fiction Express, The Winter Strangers.